For the best price, click the link in the description. But here's what surprised me about the Google Nest Doorbell Wired. It's a sleek and innovative smart doorbell that promises to revolutionize home security with its advanced features and seamless integration with other Google devices. But there's something you need to know before buying this product. The Google Nest Doorbell Wired may seem like an excellent addition to your home, but some users have reported issues with the doorbell's wireless connectivity and poor battery life. Therefore, in this review, we'll be taking a closer look at the pros and cons of the Google Nest Doorbell Wired, including its features, pricing, and what you can expect from this product. We'll also explore some alternative options to consider if you're not satisfied with the doorbell's performance. But before we dive into the details, let me ask you, have you ever struggled with figuring out who's at your front door without having to physically check? Or maybe you've had issues with false alarms or poor video quality from previous smart doorbells. Therefore, the Google Nest Doorbell Wired promises to solve these problems by providing high-definition video, motion detection, and seamless integration with other Google devices. But does it really deliver on its promises? In this review, we'll be taking a closer look at the features of the Google Nest Doorbell Wired. The doorbell comes equipped with a 1MP camera that provides 160 degrees wide-angle views, allowing you to see more of your surroundings than ever before. It also features motion detection and alerts, so you can stay informed about any activity near your front door. But there's something else to consider when it comes to the Google Nest Doorbell Wired: its pricing. The product is currently available on Amazon for $229, which may seem steep for some users. However, considering the advanced features and seamless integration with other Google devices, it might be worth the investment. Therefore, in this review, we'll be weighing the pros and cons of the Google Nest Doorbell Wired to help you make an informed decision about whether or not this product is right for you. But before we get started, let me ask you, have you ever had any issues with smart doorbells in the past? What features do you look for when choosing a smart doorbell? The Google Nest Doorbell Wired comes equipped with some impressive features that make it stand out from other smart doorbells on the market. Some of these features include high-definition video, 1MP camera, motion detection and alerts, seamless integration with other Google devices, weather-resistant design. But as we mentioned earlier, there have been some issues reported by users regarding the doorbell's wireless connectivity and poor battery life. Therefore, it's essential to consider these factors before making a purchase. Now that we've taken a closer look at the features of the Google Nest Doorbell Wired, let's explore some potential drawbacks to using this product. Some users have reported issues with wireless connectivity. Some users have reported dropped connections and poor video quality due to wireless connectivity issues. Battery life. The doorbell requires frequent battery replacements, which can be inconvenient for some users. Therefore, it's essential to consider these factors when deciding whether or not the Google Nest Doorbell Wired is right for you. In our next section, we'll be exploring alternative options to consider if you're not satisfied with this product. But before we move on, let me ask you, what features do you look for in a smart doorbell? Are there any specific issues you've had with previous doorbells that you'd like to avoid? The Google Nest Doorbell Wired may not be the best option for everyone, but it does offer some impressive features and benefits. If you're looking for an alternative to this product, here are a few options to consider. Ring Video Doorbell Pro. This doorbell offers similar features to the Google Nest Doorbell Wired, including high-definition video and motion detection. However, it's priced slightly lower at $249. Arlo Audio Doorbell. This doorbell offers a more affordable option for users who want basic doorbell functionality without the advanced features of the Google Nest Doorbell Wired. Therefore, if you're not satisfied with the performance of the Google Nest Doorbell Wired, these alternative options may be worth considering. In conclusion, while the Google Nest Doorbell Wired offers some impressive features and benefits, it's essential to consider the potential drawbacks before making a purchase. If you're looking for an advanced smart doorbell that integrates seamlessly with other Google devices, this product might be right for you. But if you're not satisfied with the performance of this product, there are alternative options available. For the best price on Amazon, click the link in the description to check out the Google Nest Doorbell Wired and make an informed decision about whether or not it's right for you.